Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in a Lariat trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Also coming with the Sport Appearance package and FX4 off-road package. The Sport package giving you the magnetic trim, rims and all that. The FX4 package giving you off-road suspension, skid plates, and trail control. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders. Down here in the middle you have a 110-volt power outlet with two USBs. And underneath the seats you do have some storage compartments. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And then looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see, and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can look at your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance basic technology, and your controls for your left screen, where you can look at your digital speedometer, tire pressures, average speed, distance to empty, RPMs and oil temperature, and off-road status. You have your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, and driver assistance features and settings. Do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And you have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. But then moving down, you have your hazards and your media controls, and then your physical climate controls with dual zone front climate again and heated front seats so you can stay cozy. Then you have two 12-volt power outlets here and two USBs so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have a bunch of your controls here for off-road, more or less. You have trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for off-road and in slower driving. And then you have your auto start stop shut off, your locking rear differential, traction control shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and tow haul mode. And you have your 4x4 controls here with terrain management system. So you have normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then moving on from that, you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious for all of your stuff, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.